Welcome to Build My Biz Brand, your AI powered career management system. Now that you have signed up and verified your email address, let's get your profile set up so we can start recommending the right roles, tasks, and opportunities tailored to you and your cohort. To begin, tell us the role you're aiming for. Are you building towards software engineer, exploring the world of front end development, or diving into analytics as a data scientist? Choose the path that best reflects where you want to grow. Your role helps us shape your personalized skill map and weekly recommendations. Next, choose the industries you want to explore. Maybe you're curious about retail, interested in government, or ready to innovate in energy. Pick all the industries that excite you. We'll use them to tailor job leads, project ideas, and coach matches. At Build My Biz Brand, you're not navigating alone. You're part of a cohort, a group of users with similar career patterns and goals. Your cohort helps us intelligently recommend tasks and roles that fit your journey. You'll be matched with one of 5 cohorts: fast follower, quick learners who thrive with structure; recent college grad, early career talent building foundations; experienced executive, seasoned leaders refining strategy; consistent contributor, reliable performers leveling up; rising star, high potential talent accelerating toward leadership. Your cohort shapes your dashboard, your tasks, and your recommended roles. Now, tell us what you're working toward. Are you actively job hunting, preparing for a promotion, or focused on building your professional brand? Your goals help us prioritize the right actions, from applications and interview prep to leadership development and brand building. Finally, select up to 3 locations where you want local recommendations. Whether it's Houston, Seattle, New York, or fully remote, your choices help us surface relevant employers, events, and networking opportunities. Once your profile is complete, your personalized dashboard activates, powered by AI, shaped by your cohort, and designed to help you move confidently toward your next career milestone.